What is up, guys? Today I will show you the app, Ninebot app, how it works on Ninebot scooter, Ninebot E2 Pro here, and Ninebot official app. So you see it's already connected, so let's check it out, what settings you have. Firstly, when you just open the app, you see the range here in drive mode. Also you have all these battery details when you click on it. And when you switch the modes, for example, sport mode, you have the range here again. It will be adjusted based on your conditions. So walking mode, 36 kilometers range. In eco mode, also 36. Also, you've got the Bluetooth connection status here. You have the dashboard. Let's check it out. So the dashboard is working quite well. You can see the riding duration, this ride, remaining mileage, maximum speed, vehicle temperature, current, and voltage. Also have enable guard mode, then you see it's locked here, Bluetooth connected, so you can only enable the light, but you cannot enable the scooter itself. Then when you swipe, you just disable this guard mode, so it's working well. Also you have the settings here, the start speed can be 3, 4, 5 kilometers available, 3 options. Energy recovery can be weak, disable, or strong. You have 2 metric system or empirical system. As you see, when you switch it, just switch to miles per hour. When you switch to metric, it's kilometers per hour. Also, you have this lock-in function, so you can select the code here and you can enable this lock-in function. When you want to unlock, you need to add the code. Traction control system that actually keeps vehicles steady on a slippery road, quite well function designed by Ninebot. Device information, read the black box data and unpin the device, so it's actually quite normal. Let's open device information. So you have the total mileage here, vehicle temperature, master control, battery, and Bluetooth, all the versions. Also, you can check firmware updates here. Currently, there is no updates available. And in case it will be, you just click on update. It's very pretty simple. Although you have the about vehicle, task for beginner, actually don't remind me again, you can just close it. General settings, fast settings, energy recovery, and start speed, and more function available. So that's actually pretty much it. Also you have the days as owner here. All the others is more allocated to your device, to your account. So actually that's how Ninebot app looks like together with E2 Pro scooter.